Howdy, with this video, I want to show you how to create your works cited page for the self-regulated learner essay, and then how to use quotes within the essay, or how they should be formatted actually. For the works cited page, I'm going to send you this handout as well. It's already up there on Schoology. For the works cited page, it's going to be the last page in your essay, and you just write the word works cited, and you list the sources you use in your essay. For this first essay, you have that Carol Dweck video and the self-regulated learning handout. You're going to list your sources alphabetically. You should also have hanging indentation. To do that in Word, you go to paragraph. It's pretty much the same way in Google Docs. I'm going to get into this a lot more with the second essay, but once you give this one the old college try. But you just come down to indentation, click on hanging, make sure you're double spacing, and hit OK. And what hanging indentation is when you go to the next line, it indents that second line for you. But I want you to just copy these. We're not going to get into the nitty-gritties of the formatting. But you're just going to copy these and put these on your works cited page, and then you'll be done. And when you start using them in your essay, when you provide a quote, you're going to cite it by putting the citation in parentheses and using the first word on your works cited page for the citation. If you had a page number, you'd include that too, but with these, we're not going to do that. But with a quote, you want to make sure you introduce the quote, even if you just say something like according to one source or whatever. Give the quote, and then when you're done with the quote, you notice the quote gets short quotes, get quote marks there. Stop. And there you have the quote straight from that self-regulated learning handout. It's hard to say. Then in the citation, you're going to use the first word on your works cited page, or the first couple of words. That's going to be self-regulated. It's in quote marks because it's an article title, and then you're done. If you're going to quote somebody, quote the self-regulated learner article, you're going to quote somebody who's quoted within that. You probably want to do it like this. You don't want to have to go to the original citation that they used. You're quoting self-regulated learning. So you're going to go like something like this, according to Zimmerman and Pons. Self-regulated learning is, and again, you start the quote with a quote mark, you end the quote with a quote mark, and then you have the citation there for self-regulated, which ties back to this self-regulated learning entry on your works cited page. A couple of things to note with quotes. If you need to change or make an addition to a quote, you have to put that change or addition in brackets, and that's the two L-shaped things. Well, not really L-shaped, but the two bracket-shaped things. If you're going to omit something, you want to use the three dots, which are ellipses, and they show an omission to the quote. And then one other one, I got a quote from the video, same idea there. Growth mindset, according to Carol Dweck, is where, and then I have the quote. I provide the quote, in the quote with the end quotes, and then I provide the first words on my works cited page. Again, the name of the video is coming first on the works cited page, so it's going to be in quotation marks there. And also, I'm showing a change I made to the quote with the brackets. You're going to space these out within your essay, probably not have them back-to-back like this. But I want to show you just the basic formatting for quotes and how to do the works cited page. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.